In today's tutorial, we'll discuss how to convert PDF to image in Java. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to convert PDFs to images in Java using the IronPDF library. We've already added the IronPDF dependency in our pom.xml file, which you can get directly from the IronPDF website. So now let's just walk through the code in our app.java file. So first, we import all the necessary classes from the IronPDF library. These include classes for handling PDF documents, rendering options, and image conversion. We also import standard Java classes for handling files and images. In the main method, we start by fetching the IronPDF license key from the environment variables. This is essential for using the IronPDF features. If the license key isn't set, then the program will throw an error, ensuring that we don't proceed without proper licensing. So next, we set the license key using the license.setLicenseKey method. And this activates the IronPDF functionalities for our application. For converting an existing PDF file to images, we could use pdfdocument.fromFile. But in this example, we render a PDF directly from a URL using pdfdocument.renderURL as PDF. Here, we're using a URL from Amazon as an example. So once the PDF document is loaded, we extract its pages as images using the toBufferedImage method. And this method returns a list of buffered image objects, each representing a page of the PDF. So to customize the size of the extracted images, we create a toImage options object and set the maximum height and width. So here we set the maximum height to 800 pixels and the maximum width to 500 pixels. Using these options, we call toBufferedImage again with our raster options and page selection.allPages to apply the size settings to all pages. And this gives us a list of sized images. We then iterate over the list of sized images for each image. We create a file name in that format, assets/images/pagenumber.png. The imageio.write method saves each buffered image as a PNG file in the specified directory. And finally, we run the program. All right, so it has executed successfully. Let's take a look at the images folder. So here, you can see all the 5 images that we were generated from the PDF file. Each page of the PDF has been converted into a separate image. And that's it. We've successfully converted a PDF to images in Java using the IronPDF library. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronPDF, go ahead and sign up for a trial on the site, continue to download and install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Just click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.